So you have learned the basics of artificial intelligence. And what was the thought behind bringing artificial intelligence in your uh, exposure? Along with that, we have understood different examples of artificial intelligence which you have seen around the world. So you can think what all we are going to learn further on the same topic. We are going to learn about Xiaomeng. We are going to learn about Sophia. These are the two machines which are the examples of artificial intelligence in the world nowadays. Along with that, we are going to learn several advantages and disadvantages of having artificial intelligence, which is the invention of science for us. So when you talk about artificial intelligence, just imagine that your day begins and there is an assistant helping you to with a sound, wake up, it's the time to go to office. Or you can imagine that you enter a room and the lights just turn on, AC turns on, and you program your washing machine that, okay, start doing your work at this time, clean all your clothes. And even you can program a cleaning maid of your room so that it works for you and it cleans the entire room before the party begins. Yes, all these are the example of artificial intelligence. Moreover, when you move out of your house, you don't need to bother whether you have locked your house or not. Why? There is the artificial intelligence present in the surrounding of your house. So, lot more is there. Come on, let's see what is there. So, according to the American computer scientist who was John McCarthy, who is also known as the father of artificial intelligence, he is going to tell you what artificial intelligence is actually. He said artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making the intelligent machine, especially intelligent computer program. That means every work which you are saying, it's happening automatically. There is a human brain which is working behind the entire working of the computer, and you say that is an intelligent machine. That's why the word artificial has been introduced with the intelligence, right? That means that's not a natural intelligence of the computer, but the computer is programmed in such a way that you think now it is an intelligent machine who is ready to serve you, who is ready to work every time for you. Siri, do this. Siri, call your mom. Siri, do that. So every time you're calling Siri and you say that your phone is a intelligent machine, but not really intelligent. That is artificial intelligence. Right, children? So basically, the branch of computer science that produces machines, that produces software or computers which are capable of human intelligence in the processing and in the input method, we call such machines as artificial intelligent machines. Now we are going to talk about Xiaomeng. So long back in China in 2019 March, Xiaohu State, the news agency, used lifelike robotic news anchor, and the name of the anchor was Xianhua. Now, she was able to present a story about the delegates attending annual parliament meeting arriving in Beijing. And the robot name was Zhen Xiaozong. And the sported a short haircut and wore a pink dress with the earrings. And she is programmed to mimic all the human expressions along with other mimicries in the world's first female artificial intelligence news anchor. So here is the image. You can see that this person looked like an image of a real anchor, but this is just a machine and it could bring out all the expression. She was only the anchor and she was a part of the machine who was able to give the expressions on the face like that. Okay, and along with that, you have already heard of Sophia. Yes, we are talking about Sophia. Sophia is the world's first humanoid. Humanoid means it is a robot which resembles like a human person, and it is to be given a full-fledged citizenship also. It's surprising, isn't it? And it belongs to Saudi Arabia. The citizenship was given to her long back in 2017. Now, the machine was designed by Hanson Robotics in Hong Kong, and Sophia has been developed to allow to just blink her eyes, fold her hands, and she was able to give the expressions on her face. She was having the movement of the neck, and even there were wrinkles on the neck of her. She was able to talk, she was able to communicate with the people, and she was able to understand the faces and the human speech also. And to your surprise, she has attended lots of shows around the world and has even sung a song. The name of the song was All Is Made of Love, and this song was sung in GIMC in 2016 at Beijing. She was even made to visit India in the IIT Mumbai. And children, she was given the platform to talk to around 3,000. She was given a permission to talk to the students in front of 3,000 people, and she had a conversation for almost 15 minutes. And the conversation was not only about the artificial intelligence, she was having an open conversation session with the students on various topics, and she was so trained that she was able to give answers to any question which were asked to her. For more information, I'll tell you, she is able to understand more than 62 facial expression, and even when she get angry, she could just press her teeth and show anger in her facial expression. So, what more is there? She could have the neck mechanism, and you could feel that when the neck of Sophia was moving, there could be some curls on the skins, which gives a real look of the machine. So this is all about Sophia. Now, still, although the machine is developed with the artificial intelligence, working like a robot, but still we could feel there are certain advantages of using artificial intelligence. Along with that, there are certain disadvantages as well. So come, let's explore and see what are the advantages and disadvantages of using artificial intelligence. So in today's world, we know that artificial intelligence based programs are very helpful for us. And for personalized content, when we are driving, we have Google Maps to help us, we have self-driving cars to support us, and these are all the applications of artificial intelligence that provides us safety, security, and it has made our life so easy and so comfortable. But along with that, if you look at the disadvantages of artificial intelligence, human people are more and more depending on the machines. I'll just give you a very small example. Imagine you have, earlier what used to happen, like we people used to remember the phone numbers of our parents, our cousins, our siblings, our granny, our grandparents. But today, we just click a button. Mama, call Mama. Mama is there. Call Papa. Papa's call is connected. And to It is not a surprising thing. You can just introspect yourself, children, that you do not remember even 5 phone numbers of your relatives or friends, isn't it? That is one of the very big disadvantage of using artificial intelligence. So we are more and more being more dependent on the machine, and we have stopped using our brain. We have stopped giving the mental exercises to our brains. This is a very big disadvantage of having artificial intelligence. Now, along with that, still with artificial intelligent machines, we are able to solve so many problems which can be solved much faster in compared to human beings. And these machines can handle large volume of data that could otherwise would have taken years and years to get evaluated, to get calculated, to get even interpreted. And when you talk about the disadvantage, then artificial intelligent machines are they are using lot of money, and lot of money is spent in making these machines, and the hardware and the software need to be updated time to time. Whenever the new version of the machine is coming, the updated version require more money to be spent on this. So as a result, artificial intelligence technology is presently utilized by the giant corporations or only by the developed countries, and ordinary people are not able to use it. So first disadvantage is that we people are becoming more dependent on machines, we people are becoming lazy, we people are becoming more lethargic depending on the machines. And the other disadvantages, still the technology has come to the market, but most of the countries are not able to use that technology. Now, before we wind up, let's just quickly revise what we have learned so far. So we have learned that artificial intelligence is a special branch of computer science that develop intelligent computers for us. And the goal of artificial intelligence is to develop intelligent machines that would be able to assist human automatically. And then American computer scientist named John McCarthy is known as the father of artificial intelligence. Children, the world's first female artificial intelligence news anchor was from China, and the name was Zhen Xiaomang, who was used by China's Yahoo State news agency to present the news about the country's parliamentary meeting. And Sophia is the world's first humanoid, that means robot resembling a human being, to be given full-fledged citizenship of the country, and in 2017 she was awarded the citizenship of Saudi Arabia. Moreover, artificial intelligence machines are able to solve the problems at much faster rate beyond our imaginations. Now let's do the exercise here, children. So, a smart home is the product of artificial intelligence. Very nice. And humanoid Sophia has a citizenship of, I just told you, good, Saudi Arabia. Very good. And Dash is known as the father of artificial intelligence. Good. He is John McCarthy. And then humanoid Sophia was developed by Hanson Robotics. Very nice. Now let's see true and false here. So Zhen Xiaomang is world's first humanoid. Is it to get the citizenship? No, she was Sophia. So it is a false statement. And then Zhen can mimic human expressions. Yes, She was the anchor, and true, she can mimic the human expressions. Sophia is the first female robot news anchor. Was it Sophia? No, she was Zinziomug. So it is a false statement, and Sophia is programmed to show multiple expression. This is a true statement. So I hope you have learned a lot about artificial intelligence in today's session. See you later with new exploring, new understanding and new learning. Till then, goodbye and happy learning.